Hey guys, it's Kayla Puppy 6 and no. Oh man. Why? Why? Right when I want to do an adventure video. Seriously, you're gonna do this? I made an awesome look though. I mean, look at those eyes. Seriously? Alright then. Okay. Oh man, I wish I could choose my Arctic fox. I mean, yes, my Arctic fox. Wolf and bunny. Wait, or should I do yeah, wolf and bunny. Save animals. Yes. No thanks. Right when someone wants to have an Arctic fox party. I mean, seriously? Oh. I need to turn this music down. It's blasting my ears. You guys might not be able to hear it, but I can hear it definitely. Oh, why? Alright, adventure time, I guess. Oh, man. Guys, my membership ran out, and I'm pretty upset about it. Well, not pretty upset, but it's a bummer that it happened. And I got it from my Club Geo set, and I got it for Christmas, and it lasted me 2 weeks. Thank you, Animal Jam. Well, at least I had Animal Jam membership for 2 weeks. I mean, it can't be that bad, right? Alright, let's do this with my fox. First, I'm going to change the look, though. I don't really like the look. Okay, so we are going to do... Okay, first let's erase that worn off of it. We're gonna do... Okay, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with my look. Alright, so this is the final look. I think it actually looks pretty cute. It only took me like 2 minutes, but it's pretty cute. And you can make a bunch of awesome looks even if you're a non-member. Okay, so which one should I do? Actually, one sec. I am going to see if this one is actually members only. Oh, the Phantom Fortress is members only? Why does this type of stuff happen to me? Okay, well, I guess we can do Return of the Phantoms then. Okay, join an adventure. Normal. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. Oh, no, not right one. Why? Normal. Bam, 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 beam, 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 beam. All right. So, let's do this. Okay. So. Oh, Liza. All right. I'm so glad you're here. The Phantoms have broken through our defenses and are polluting the forest. I need someone to help save the forest while I investigate where the phantoms are coming from. Okay, Liza. Head to the bunny burrow and speak with the bunnies. They will tell you more. Good luck. Fine with me. Okay. There. Okay, so what did that do, Bunny? Aren't there phantoms over? Oh, okay, there's a plant. And there! Okay. Ah! Weren't you eaten? What just happened there? What on earth happened there? It zapped me even when it was eaten. That was crazy. Ah! Go. Die. Just die! Oh, phew. Thank you for dying. Okay, just come and die. No, don't kill me! Don't kill. All right, and then we do a little bit of this. That. Okay. Now what? Fine. Oh, that one. Okay, one more cork. It should be, it should be up here somewhere. It's right here. Okay. Well, I'm not going to leave you guys to bore out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become Pupper Wolf today. Bye, pups and wolves!